in this tutorial, we will be seeing the how reconciliation will work in React.js. So this is the GIF format, how the React component will work, how initially it will render, and how the React and DOM elements will be working over there. So without wasting any time, so let's start this video. So actually, reconciliation is the process in which React updates the UI to reflect changes in the component state. So the reconciliation algorithm is a set of rules that React uses to determine how to update UI in the most efficient way. So React uses a virtual DOM, that is document object model, to update the UI, and the virtual DOM is a lightweight in-memory representation of the real DOM. So that will allow the React to make changes to the UI without manipulating the actual DOM. So this makes updates faster, as changing the virtual DOM is less expensive than changing the real DOM. As it is less expensive, so we will be using the virtual DOM. So React uses this virtual DOM. So the reconciliation algorithm works by comparing the current actual DOM tree to the updated virtual DOM tree and making the minimum number of changes necessary to bring the virtual DOM in line with the updated state. So algorithm uses two main techniques to optimize the updates. So the first technique will be tree diffing. So React compares the current virtual DOM tree with the updated virtual DOM tree and identifies the minimum number of changes necessary to bring the virtual DOM in line with the updated state. So the second technique will be batching. So React batches multiple changes into a single update, reducing the number of updates to the virtual DOM and in turn the real DOM. Reconciliation algorithm is a critical part of React's performance and helps make React one of the fastest and most efficient JavaScript libraries for building user interfaces. So it's the most efficient for making the UI interfaces. So reconciliation is a critical part of React's performance. So after the reconciler compares the current and updated virtual DOM, it identifies the difference and makes the necessary changes to the virtual DOM to bring it in line with the updated state. So this updating of the virtual DOM is done for several reasons. So there are several reasons why we update the virtual DOM. First of all, to keep the virtual DOM as an accurate representation of the current state of the component so that it can be used in future updates. So that it can be used in the future updates, we can just keep the virtual DOM as an accurate representation of the current state. Second will be the to optimize updates to the real DOM. The virtual DOM provides a way for React to make the changes to the UI without manipulating the real DOM directly. By making the changes to the real by making the virtual DOM provides a way to make changes or React to make changes to the UI without manipulating the real DOM directly. Can determine the most efficient way to update the real DOM and make only the minimum number of changes necessary. So the third point will be to ensure that the UI remains in sync with the state of the components. The reconciliation process ensures that the virtual DOM accurately reflects the current state of the components so the UI remains up to date and in line with the current state of the application. So in summary, I would like to let you know that the reconcilier updates the virtual DOM after the reconciliation process to keep it accurate, optimize states to the real DOM and ensure that the UI remains in sync with the state of the component. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you are learning reconciliation, you're about to know what is reconciliation, you can visit different kind of articles that is available on the internet as well. So and you can just practice how reconciliation works. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, you can just share this video with your friends and just subscribe to my YouTube channel for this kind of updates. So thank you everyone, and thank you for your time.